So do you want to send broadcast message in different languages to all your customers on WhatsApp? That too automatically? Then this video is just for you. In this video, I will teach you how you can create a message template using Pabbly Chatflow in different languages, as well as send that template to multiple people at once. Okay, so over here you can see on my WhatsApp I have received this WhatsApp message in Italian language. Like this, you can also create WhatsApp message templates in different languages using Pabbly Chatflow as well. So first of all, we learn how you can create a template using Pabbly Chatflow in different languages. Okay, I'm already on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. To reach the dashboard, simply open a new tab and browse pabbly.com/chartflow. And Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. So on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you do not have an account with us and you want to explore what Pabbly Chatflow is and how it works, you can sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features. Okay? And if you like using Pabbly Chatflow and you want to purchase the plan of it, you can simply use the code given on the screen in order to get instant discounts on your purchase on your lifetime deals as well as yearly plans with Pabbly. Okay, so use the code given on the screen and get instant discounts. It will benefit your business. Okay, so now I've already came to the Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard by signing in. After signing in, now to create a template, what we need to do is simply from the panel go to this template and template list section right here. On the template list section, after coming to this page, go to this add template and we are going to create a new template first. For the category, you have three types given: marketing, utility and authentication. I will use marketing. Now next I have to name my template. So let's suppose for the name of the template, I'll give it as any language template. Okay, so now this is the name of my template. I'm just creating a test template just to show you how the template is created. Okay, now this is a very important part. Next step is select language, which is like required. So let's suppose you don't want to create this message template in English language. Okay, I want to create this message template and let's suppose French language. Okay, so you will select this option French from the drop down. If you want Filipino, German, Greek, Gujarati, Hindi, Indonesian, you can see Japanese, Kannada, all the languages are provided in the drop down. You need to select your language from the drop down right over here, in which you're creating this template, using which you're creating this template. Now next you have to select the template type, where multiple types are given to you. I will select the template type as text. You can select other types as well. Now next it is asking for template header. So let's suppose my template header is going to be good morning, but it is going to be in French language. So let me enter the header, text format and the footer right over here. So you will see right over here I've entered the header, footer as well as the format of this template in French language. If I will show you the translation of this text right over here, let me open Google Translator. Let me enter the text. You will see, hello, thank you for contacting us. We are delighted to have you with us. You can see I have entered the French language and this is the English conversion of it. So I have entered this message right here in French language. You can enter any language according to your requirement or your native country's language in place of this French, like Italian, Japanese, Chinese. You can write and select any language. You have to first select the language from here and then enter the details according to your requirement. Okay, now over here I don't want the footer as well as the header, so I will simply remove them from here. I just showed you how you can enter the footer and the header and how it will look over here. Okay, if you want to add in some interactive actions, you can select the options from here and simply click on this submit button, and as soon as you will do that, automatically the template is going to be created. Now if you want to send this template as a broadcast message towards all your contacts, to your customers, you have to wait for this template status to be approved by Meta. You can see it is coming over here as pending. You have to wait for the status to be converted as approved by Meta, and then you can use this template in order to send the WhatsApp messages to all your customers. Okay, you can see it is approved. Meta has approved the template. Now you can use this template to send the messages. I've already created a template over here in my Italian language as well. So instead of using the French language, the test one that we have created right now, I will send this welcome message to all my contacts at once. So now how you can do that? For that, simply from the panel, go to this option broadcast. Using this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, you can send WhatsApp messages in bulk to every single contact of yours without wasting any time. Create a broadcast, schedule it, or instantly forward the broadcast according to your requirement. Okay, click on this add broadcast button right over here. Now we have to select the broadcast type first. Type is going to be broadcast campaign. If you want, you can select the API campaign according to your requirement. We are going to name our broadcast. For the broadcast name, let's suppose I will write it as French language. Okay, this is the broadcast name I'm giving just for the test. We have to next select the contact list to whom we want to send the message to. Inside Pabbly Chatflow, let me open the contact section right over here. So you can see right over here, I have multiple contact lists created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So you might have some specific ones in which you have created specific contacts like this, okay? Or else you have all the contacts, you can see right over here like this. So if you want to send broadcast message to all your contacts or to the specific segment of your customers, you can select that option of contact list from the drop down. So if you want, you can select all contact list or a specific segmented contact list from this drop down right here. Let's suppose I will select the contact list over here in the name of this new list that I have created. So now to this new list contacts, the broadcast message is going to be forwarded. Okay. Next, you have to select the message type. There are two options given, pre-approved template or the regular message. In regular message, you can enter the text right over here directly. If you want that, you can do that. I do not want that, so I will select the pre-approved template. And I will select the newly created template right over here that I created in front of you with French language. Okay. I will select the template. You will see the preview of this template like this. Okay. Now, if you want to test how this message is going to be forwarded, simply you can add the username. Let's suppose as test user right over here. And as I want to test, I will enter my phone number right here. And then simply click on this send test message. Okay. And as soon as I will do that, you will see it says test broadcast sent. Towards this number that we have entered, a test message is going to be forwarded. I will show you the message later. But before that, I will show you how you can schedule the broadcast or instantly send the broadcast message. So now let's suppose you have selected a contact list right over here, and towards the contact list you want to instantly send the message. Instead of scheduling it for later, you want to instantly run this broadcast. So you can select the option no send instantly. But what if you want to schedule this broadcast for, like, let's suppose 3 days later from today? For that, simply I'm going to click on this yes button and enter the date and time. I want this broadcast to run on Saturday, that is 3rd of January 2026, and the time I wanted to run at 11:30 p.m. Okay. Sorry, 11:30 a.m. Okay, so I have scheduled this broadcast on 3rd of January 2026 at 11:30 a.m. and simply add this broadcast from here. And as soon as I've added the broadcast, you can see a broadcast is scheduled. A broadcast in the name of French language has been scheduled for January 3rd, 2026, 11:30 a.m. Okay, and which template is going to be forwarded? The French language template is going to be forwarded towards whom? To the list that we have selected while creating this broadcast. Okay, now I have already sent a test message, and you can see on my WhatsApp I have received this test message right here in French language. As we were testing the broadcast, the test message is been forwarded on my WhatsApp. So this is how the message is going to appear to all your contacts which are added in the contact list that you have selected while creating the broadcast. This is how you can create the message template of WhatsApp inside Pabbly Chatflow in any languages, as well as send it to all the customers. You can share any language message template towards your customers. I've taken the example of French and Italian. You can add in other languages and create multiple other language templates according to your requirement. Okay, so this was it for this video. If you have any questions or doubts, you can comment down below and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.